Now here we can see this option, right? So here I have just now opened the notepad and you can see this prompt. I can use it over here inside the Bob, right? So once again, I'll give you the list of prompts inside the GitHub link, okay, and that you will find inside the description, okay, or maybe in the pin comment also we can add that. And once we have this prompt available, we just have simply pasted over here, and you can see once we paste that, this is how the result we get it over here. I'm just doing a fast forwarding over here to get the correct result within a timeline, right? So let's wait for it and see what is the final result we get it over here, right? So at the top, if you see those blue options, right, wherever we have added a prompt, those are showing as a top highlighted blue headers, right? So we can give you the link accordingly. So here you can see this is the overall token has been consumed, whatever you add as a prompt, okay? So it is not that you just have to simply go with the English and type it, okay? You have to understand what type of requirement you have. You have to understand the security prospects as well. Just considering those parameters, you have to just simply paste those prompt accordingly, right, to create a LMS in our project, right? In your case that can be a different, you have to refine your prompt accordingly, right, case to case basis, right? And let me just do a fast forwarding to get the accurate result over here more time over here, okay? Just in a keeping the expectation set over here, whenever you are visiting this portal, okay, this Bob IBM, whenever you are trying to add a prompt, ensure that you will have a good amount of time, okay? Because it takes a lot of time to understand your requirement, to give you the accurate result basis the ask what we have asked to the Bob IBM over here, okay? So yeah, this we have to keep this in mind whenever we are developing the any kind of a tool there, right? So here I can see this like a VS code. These are the shortcuts available. You can use the shortcuts as well. But in starting as a pilot, right, I would rather say let's go with the manual process, and then later on we can jump onto the shortcuts one. And here I can see the results, right? It's giving us the overall result there. Okay, so once it is done, I can see the left hand side here, readme setup, okay, so on and so forth. These are automatically get updated over here, and these are the codes over here, okay? So this is my demo, inside the demo folder index.html. This file we have to run it on our browser over here, okay? So let's do this. Here I'll go to my local desktop over here, and I'll go this particular folder, and here the demo, right? So I'll just simply click on this option and then index, and boom, you see whatever we have requested. I can see dashboard, courses, trainers, learners, and schedule available over here. Inside the courses there are dummy courses I have added over here, and I can see the status for these courses, capacity. Again, here are the trainers. I have the VILT, ILT trainings, e-learnings, and then completed trainings, okay, so on and so forth, details available over here, right? And that's how beautifully this LMS has been developed by the Bob IBM. Now it's time to publish this on my GitHub. Okay, so here what I'm going to do over here is I'll just first open up the GitHub account over here. If you don't know how to open the GitHub account, you can just visit my previous channel and you can simply create the GitHub account. This is the repository name, training dash management dash system over here, and this is the simple description I'm writing over here, okay? Create a training management system over here, okay? And that's how the setting what I'm keeping over. Sure that you're not turning on this add readme section over here, because it's already there in our repository, okay? So let's keep it no over here, and let's create the repository first over here. Now there are two ways to upload our files over here inside the GitHub, okay? Which are those? One is the manual, what we do, right? We just go there and we upload our files wherever it's available, right? Here we just simply go here and we upload our files there, okay? So let me just show you. This is how I'll select this, and then I'll just go here and I'll do it open over here. Now here if you carefully observe over here, these are only files are getting uploaded over here, okay? My folders are there only, okay? It's not really showing that it's been available over here. So in that case, what I'm going to do over here is I'll just do a commit changes for now, since I'm leveraging the facility of AI Bob, right? So here I'm asking AI Bob itself to use this as a final portal for me.